Should you start an MBA today? Well, yes. And yes, I just got mine. And let me tell you why it's absolutely worth it. Lately, we've all seen people saying things like, you don't need school anymore. A diploma is useless. Universities are just traps for student debt. Or the classic, AI is taking all the jobs anyway. But here's the thing, getting an MBA is not just about a piece of paper, it's about upgrading your brain. An MBA, Master of Business Administration, is a degree offered around the world. Some programs require a test, others don't. But most people doing it already have work experience. Engineers, doctors, lawyers, managers, people who want to level up. What makes it powerful is that it gives you a 360-degree view of business. You learn management, finance, strategy, human resources, marketing, operations, the full picture. But the real value? It's in the process. You work on dozens of real-life business cases, solve complex problems, debate with teammates, and make tough decisions. Just like in the real world, it builds your decision-making muscles. It teaches you how to think, not just react. For example, say your company suddenly lands a huge contract. You've been running things with 6 employees, and now you need 60. That's not just hiring 54 more people. That's a complete transformation. Your operations have to scale. Production schedules, suppliers, logistics. Everything needs to move faster, smoother, and without breaking. You'll need to find new talent, but not just anyone. You need people who fit your company culture, who can handle pressure, who share the same vision. Your cash flow has to keep up too. Payroll, raw materials, new equipment. The expenses pile up before the new revenue starts coming in. If you don't plan your financing properly, growth can actually destroy your business. Then comes change management. Your small, tight-knit team suddenly becomes a big organization. You'll need new processes, new managers, clear communication channels. Otherwise, chaos will follow. That's where leadership becomes critical. You can't manage 60 people the same way you manage 6. You have to inspire, delegate, and trust. And above all, you have to stay strategic. Break your big vision into small, achievable steps. Maybe you start by hiring 20 people first, stabilize operations, then scale again once the system holds. That's the kind of thinking an MBA trains you for, seeing growth not as excitement, but as a structured challenge that touches every single part of the business: finance, people, operations, and leadership. Yes, studies consistently show that earning an MBA can lead to a significant salary increase. According to the Graduate Management Admission Council, MBA graduates earn a median salary of about $115,000. That's roughly 75% higher than those with only a bachelor's degree. Many report salary jumps between 50 and 100% after graduation. Of course, the exact boost depends on your experience, the school's reputation, your industry, and where you work. But overall, an MBA remains one of the most reliable ways to accelerate your career and increase your earning potential. And beyond the money, it's about clarity, confidence, and leadership. So the final verdict? Yes, do your MBA. It's worth every effort, every hour, every dollar, because it doesn't just change your career, it changes how you think. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.